At dahil nga maraming naghahanap sa atin ng bungalow, single attached, na accessible to Manila. If interested ka, don't skip this video. Samahan niyo ako. This is Pau Pipito, your home search band. This is Sophia model. Meron tayong option for bare turnover or complete finish turnover. Meron tayong minimum lot size of 72 square meters at meron na itong 2 bedroom na may provision for aircon at naka-sliding window na. Meron tayong toilet and bath. At dahil single attached ito, meron tayong sliding door na connected sa side lot natin. Guys, maganda to for rental business or Airbnb if familiar kayo dahil ang amenities natin dito is resort style. Meron tayong basketball court, pool with slides, children's rock climbing wall, outdoor children's playground, bicycle area, at grilling station. Pwede ito sa Pag-ibig Financing at bank financing. For as low as 9,358 sa monthly amortization for 25 years at 15,718 sa monthly equity. Guys, may available din tayo dito na lot only na may minimum cut na 96 square meters for only 5,413 sa Pag-ibig Financing. Kaya if interested ka, just send me direct message para